Hello and welcome back to another DIY video. Before we get started, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel on the bottom right hand corner. And we're going to be changing out the air filter box, or the air filter element, on this 2016 Honda Civic. This is the 10th generation, so the process should be the same for 16 all the way up to 2020. We'll get started here in just a moment. So first and foremost, you want to pop your hood. Go to the front. From the front, the little stands right here, so let me just a second. Sorry, that's probably not good filming, but here you go. Looking at the engine bay from the top, you'll see a lot of stuff. Don't get overwhelmed. It is right here. You shouldn't need any tools. There's just these clips right here. Pop this off, and there's gonna be two tabs or two little prongs that kind of sit in the tray. So you just give this a nice little lift. Actually, let me put the camera down. Okay, you can kind of blow it off if you have an air gun. Just get any debris off. Lift up. Okay. My goodness, gross. Let's go to the floor. Alright, so looking at it from the top, this is obviously the old one, this is the new one. You can look at the filter element. That's old, this is new. I'm going to zoom up. Check this out. Gross. Alright. Okay. Let's go back up top. Alright, just want to show you something real quick. Before you reinstall it, you'll notice this little insert right here and this little insert right here. Make sure these tabs up top, 1 and 2, seat properly into these little inserts, because if you don't get a good seal on your airbox, you might get a check engine light on. Alright, let's make sure the seat's properly. Good as well. There it is. Very easy, no tools needed. Go ahead and close up the video. If you like it, make sure you give me the thumbs up to help the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel on the bottom right hand corner, and I will see you on the next one.